Hi everybody, it's Jules from Simple Body. Do you know what a damaged skin barrier looks and feels like? If you do, it's not very pleasant. A damaged barrier means you're going to have redness, irritation, sensitivity. It's just not a very fun condition to deal with. And we can develop a damaged barrier from a whole bunch of different reasons, environmental elements, using products that are too harsh for your skin, um, and lots of different reasons, conditions like rosacea and acne. Anyway, today I want to really talk about ceramides because they are all the rage in skincare right now. But what are ceramides? How do you know they're good for you? Well, believe it or not, your body actually develops ceramides. Your body produces ceramides. It's lipids basically that help um, strengthen your skin barrier. And you can, over time, you're going to have depleted lipids, depleted ceramides in your skin. But there are ways that you can replenish them. And by replenishing the lipids in your skin, you're rebuilding your skin barrier. And you hear a lot of people talk about this right now in skincare, but there are lots of reasons why ceramides are really important in your skincare regimen. Ceramides are sort of the glue that holds the skin together. Um, you have these microscopic cracks in your skin that develop when you have dry skin or redness or irritation or sensitivities. And in order to sort of fill in those gaps in the skin, you want to use ceramides. And we have a product called Barrier Defense Serum, which is loaded with 5 different types of ceramides. And this is basically what is going to fill in the little gaps in your skin and over time strengthen your skin, give it more elasticity. Um, it will prevent redness and irritation and sensitivity and all of these things that can make your skin just quite frankly feel uncomfortable. And it's especially useful in climates like Colorado because we are at altitude. We have very harsh UVA and UVB rays. We're constantly dealing with the dryness here. But there are other climates too, like deserty climates where you specifically need more ceramides in your routine. As I sort of apply the Barrier Defense Serum, my skin feels less dry, less irritated, more moisturized, and I know that those ceramides are working their way in. I can't forget my knuckles. Um, to help really smooth out the skin. I implore you to add ceramides into your routine, and the best way to do that is to use our Barrier Defense Serum. I hope this is helpful in helping you keep your skin looking and feeling great.